Welcome to DIY with Gayle and the Ketchikan Public Library. Good morning, family, friends, and neighbors. We are very close to that Valentine's Day. Last week we did a little heart pocket. This week we're going to do a little flower. I think it was last week. Might have been longer than that. It's been quite a week. I hope you're enjoying yourself. All right, let's get started. We're going to start off with a piece of paper that is 5 inches by 5 inches. Laying it down, we're going to fold it into a triangle. Make sure that is a nice, firm fold. Open it up and fold on that same fold again from the back side. Open it up, turn, another. Same thing, fold that fold line twice. All right, now we have them each coming from the corners. Now we're going to do across here. Again, double, because we want it nice and movable. Now we're going to do it across this one. And now we're going to put it together. To put it together, we want to look at our square. So the point is up, and that gives us a little square right here. That's going to be the front of our flower or heart. These two are going to fold in, okay? So folding in, and it takes a minute, and once you do it, your paper will be happy, okay? I folded them in. And before you push down, just make sure everything is even. All right, let's look at that again. I'm going to open it up. So we have our point pointing to the sky. Our two side ones are going to go in. Okay. We're going to have the fold at the bottom and the opens at the top. Fold at the bottom. Now fold again on that line. Okay. Now we're going to take our scissors. Remember, our fold is down here. We're going to make a heart. Let me do that better. Our heart. I'm going to give it a little bit more down here. Okay. Now look, when our heart opens up, it's a flower. Okay. From here, you can decorate it any way you like. I really liked putting the bling around the outer edge. And the bling is just this stuff that I got at Walmart. You can get it in colors or just crystal. So there's lots of things to decorate with. Now I will say, I got a little overdone and tried to do the middle too. It is too heavy with the bling on the inside also. So it will not stand as just the single heart. It will pop open. I placed a heart in the middle. I think it would have been okay if I let it dry a little bit longer before I made the folds. Remember, you cannot put a crystal or anything else in the middle, otherwise your little flower will not fold. Okay, let me go over to this one. I used color crayon on this one. And it does hold up much better. And then you can open it. I'm going to write on the inside of mine. And then I just took some red paper and made leaves. With this one I used the bow. I'm going to have to do some learning on making good bows. So that's what you do. Here it is. I'm using the chopstick for my stem And all I'm going to do is just glue it to the back side here. I'm using tacky glue because tacky glue is my favorite. It just works really quick and will hold very quickly. Do all of your decorating to your little heart prior to putting it on your stick. Now, you can use your dowel, a pencil, anything you want as the stick. And I think it'd be kind of cute with a pencil because I think it'd be great sitting in a pencil holder. Add your leaves, add your bow, whatever you want, and have a lovely Valentine's. And remember, this year especially, tell all those people that you love. Oops, I'm going upside down. That you love, that you do love them. Sometimes we get so busy we forget to say the things we should. And I guess that's what I want here. I want to say the things that I don't say every day after it dries. Yeah, that was a short one and pretty simple. So have fun, enjoy it, and come on out to the library today. Lots going on. Lisa will be doing Date with a Book, special Valentine's theme there. Also, later in the day, there will be some planting stuff with the gardening club here in town. So check your schedule, check your calendar, and come on in and see us, and have a very happy Valentine's Day. And remember, you are loved.